Dunblane Cathedral has one of the largest surviving collections of medieval Scottish ecclesiastical woodwork. The 15th century Misericords stalls are amongst the oldest in Scotland and are carved with real and fantastical beasts. A medieval cathedral's primary function was to be the setting for an unceasing round of daily services said or sung by a team of clergy. The word Misericord derives from the Latin for mercy. The extended top of the tip-up seats, providing support for those who may be tired standing through the long and frequent daily services. The 15th century Misericord stalls with highly decorated canopies above the stalls on either side of Dunblane Cathedral's west door bear the coat of arms of Bishop James Chisholm, who was consecrated in 1487. These stalls originally stood in the choir at the east end of the cathedral, alongside the Misericord stalls dating from the time of Bishop Ochiltree, who was bishop in Dunblane Cathedral from 1429 to 1447. On the underside of each seat can be seen various carvings, one of which is the Green Man, which was frequently found in carvings in ecclesiastical buildings. It is said to be a symbol of rebirth, and the cycle of growth often represented as a face, with branches sprouting from the mouth, and these shoots bearing flowers or fruit.